Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remap keyboard keys on laptop. The first thing you will do is open the Windows Store. There look for Power Toys and click on Microsoft Power Toys. You are going to click on Install and you must wait for it to be downloaded. You will see that the installation process begins. You must click Yes to authorize the installation of these utilities. Wait for them to be installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, enter Power in the search box, open Power Toys. Here, click on Keyboard Manager. After, activate the switch, enable Keyboard Manager. When you do, click Remap a key. Now click on Add Key Remapping. In the Select field, click Select and now press the key to be reassigned on your keyboard. It will be taken automatically. Click on OK. Then, into Send field, click Select. Now press the key with which you will perform the new action. Apply the change. Finally, click OK and click Continue anyway so you can see how the key has been remapped. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.